One of my favourite references we can really use to explore as far as then connecting, for example, how we move through lower limb and the kind of arms, so to be very precise, how we can kind of move through that kind of trail leg and trail arm, and so in that target line view, really how we look to align, for example, when the hands sit beneath the shoulder joint, really how the forearm aligns to that kind of femur, the upper leg, the thigh in some way. So from that kind of target line view, that as we start to move in the downswing, as the hands kind of track beneath the shoulder joint, so crudely speaking, roughly around about this place in time here, how the line of the forearm absolutely aligns with the line of that kind of femur in that kind of right side. So once again, a reference we can really start to explore to really align how that kind of trail arm interacts and moves with that kind of trail leg is from that kind of target line view, really how when the hands sit beneath that shoulder joint, how that trail forearm, the line of that trail forearm really starts to align with that trail leg. So for example, common adaptations we can see, for example, if the kind of pelvis really starts to actively thrust into impact, how that kind of forearm then doesn't really align with that trail leg, and the hands sit outside that shoulder joint, or vice versa. We start to kind of move this way in transition once again, how the hands are inside the shoulder joint, and again that kind of trail forearm sits almost steeply, crudely speaking, on top of that trail femur. So wonderful reference we can use to really explore how we can align that kind of trail arm, kind of trail leg, for example, again from that target line view, when the hands start to track underneath the shoulder, as you'll see by those circles on the screen, when the hands sit beneath the shoulder joint, how that trail forearm absolutely aligns parallel with that kind of trail femur and that kind of right leg, to then really best align and match how we move to that trail arm into that trail leg.